Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can hide your number on Telegram. So now right here I open my Telegram. So now what I'm going to do is just to tap on this menu page icon right here. Now right here on menu page, just tap on settings. And then right here on settings, you can see privacy and security. Just tap on that. Now, as you can see on privacy and security, you can see your phone number. Just tap on phone number. We can now edit our phone number from my contacts to nobody so that no one can see your phone number. And that is how you can hide your phone number on Telegram. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!